Hello everybody, a new episode from Nomad Entrepreneur from the beautiful Tbilisi, Georgia. This video is coming to you. If you have ever thought about working from home, then make sure to watch this video till the end. It will be a full guide step by step to tell you all what you need to know. I'm going to tell you how to do it and how to scale your business to become very successful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell that when I release any new videos, you get notified. See you in a second. Working from home is a dream to everyone looking for a location-independent lifestyle and freedom. There are a lot of benefits for working from home. For example, during this time of the pandemic, of the coronavirus pandemic, a lot of people got hurted because a lot of companies are closing and the people who their companies need them, they work remotely from their homes. I'm going to tell you in this video the 4 steps you need to know to start working from home. And I'm going to tell you exactly how to start working from home in these 4 steps. Make sure to follow each step. I'm going to tell you the duration of each step. I'm going to tell you how to do it. If you have ever thought about working from home, let me know in the comments. I am curious. And if you want me to create more useful videos like this one, comment below. I will be happy to do it for you. Alright, let's dive in our topic. The first step is to choose your career. You should choose the career you are passionate about and the career that you can be creative in it and you can innovate in it. This step is very important. Choose a career you want to do. Choose a career you will love to do it. This is important because now you are a free person. You can work whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. In this step, it's very important to know that the future is going towards a new business mindset. You should have this mindset from now and you should keep growing your skills and working on it and developing it. So exactly what you need to do, you need to do some brainstorming and think about this. What I really like, what I really want to do, what I'm passionate about. And then when you get the answer, you know your career. Start to work for it. Step number 2 is to build your experience. This is very important because to grow and develop your skills, you need to start studying. When you choose your career, there are a happy news for you. Most of these careers, you can learn it online for free. Yes, you can learn most of these skills for free. For example, on YouTube now, you are watching my videos, you are watching a lot of other videos, millions of videos on YouTube, teaching the people a lot of things for free. You can do that and find anything regarding your career on YouTube. Try to search on YouTube about any skills you are looking for, and you will find someone who will teach you that thing totally for free. For instance, I'm working in digital marketing for few years now. I wanted to grow my skills in SEO. If you are wondering what is SEO, it's search engine optimization. And what I did, I just started to follow a lot of YouTubers, a lot of very famous YouTubers in this field who are providing a lot of very useful free content in YouTube. I'm talking about some people like Neil Patel, I'm talking about Brian Dean and Josh Pachininsky and a lot of other people who are providing a lot of knowledge for free and totally helpful. I growed my SEO and now I'm using SEO to grow my businesses. And there are a lot of careers that you can learn on YouTube. A second example is video creating. I started to learn video creating when I started this channel just a year ago, approximately a year and a month ago. 13 months ago, I started to work on this channel and I had to increase and grow my video editing skills. I used to watch a lot of videos for a lot of very famous YouTuber like Peter McNannon and a lot of other guys who are providing a lot of tutorials for free, and these tutorials were very helpful for me, and I use that whenever I wanted to learn something. It's very easy and simple. I start just to search on YouTube, I find the video, I start to watch and to learn, and that way I growed my skills, I built my success in this field. Needless to mention, there are a lot of websites that you can learn in this website professionally, and it will grow and develop your skills. I'm talking about Audacity, Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. Most of these platforms have a lot of very important courses in topics such as digital marketing, entrepreneurship, and business extra. So paying some money to get this huge benefit from these courses is a highly recommended investing in yourself. If you are a beginner in a career that you want to do, that you like to do, it might take you between 3 to 6 months when you spend 3 to 4 hours a day. Now, after spending between 3 to 6 months learning your new career, you should have a huge portfolio. What I'm talking about is the best way to learn anything is by doing it, by practicing it. If you are going to learn anything, you should do it while you are learning. When you do something, you know exactly everything related to it. For instance, if you like graphic design, you should have, by the end of the 6 months of learning and watching materials, attending courses, you should have a very big portfolio of the work you have done during this time. When you have this portfolio, you will have a huge advantage in the career. You will have a huge advantage that will help you to get paid easily. You have now two ways. The first way is the easy way. I'm going to tell you the easiest way to do it. You can be a freelancer offering your freelancing job in one of the famous websites like Upwork, freelancer.com, etc. There are many platforms that can help you to offer your services and get paid through these platforms. What these platforms make for you, they market your work, they do the marketing for you, they bring you customers, and they get the money in behalf of you from the customers, and then they get a percentage, transfer the rest of the money, the rest of the payment to your account. This is the easy way, and there are a lot of pros and cons. The pros that you don't have to do marketing for yourself. You don't have to market your job, to do marketing for your skills. They do it for you and they help you to do it easily. The second pro is they get the money in behalf of you, so you don't have to get the money yourself from the customers. You don't have to deal with the customers directly. They do a customer service for you, they get the money, and they represent you in front of the customer while they are doing the payment. So you don't have to get a payment gateway, you don't have to worry about all of this stuff. The third pro is they have a lot of traffic. They are very popular and they have a lot of traffic that you can use to do a marketing for your work on the platform itself. The cons, this business is risky because if you are just starting in one of these platforms and you got a lot of bad reviews, you got a lot of bad customers, and they just keep giving you a bad reviews, your account will be suspended. and then you will lose everything. You will lose this traffic, you will lose everything forever. So this is one of the pros. The second pros is these platforms care more about the customer than you, especially in the first stage of your account on these platforms. I mean, in the first year, you will be just a junior, you are just starting, a beginner, so they care more about the customer than you. The third cons, that it's not a scalable business. You cannot keep growing on it. You just reach some point and then you stop. You cannot grow it anymore. This is not a scalable business. So this is the three cons. And that was for the easiest way. You can do it. You don't need to spend money. You don't need to do any of other jobs that you don't know anything about. The second way in this step, or the hard way I call it, is to do it by yourself. To start your long term plan, you can start to sell your services through your own platform, through your own marketing lead machine. You should start to do that if you are looking for a long-term plan, if you are looking for a scalable business, the business that you can scale and grow afterwards. This is should be your way. It needs a lot of work, it needs a lot of knowledge in many different fields, but if you are going to do it, it's a long-term successful plan, and some days it's going to be a passive income for you. And this business is totally scalable. You can keep growing it, and you can keep growing it as long as you are working on it. You can keep it grow. I'm gonna give you some example regarding my businesses and my long-term and short-term plans. In 2018, I started to think about growing something on the internet, to start to work from home, and I started to plan this long term plan. I mean, you now know this channel, and you know that there is a website related to this channel. This website is nomadentrepreneur.io. I offer wealth management consultation, I offer business consultation, I offer business coaching through this platform. And this platform, and even this channel you are watching me now, this is my long-term plan. I keep working on it, and I'm not looking for much of money coming from it right now, but on the long term I know that I'm going to achieve what I am planning already to achieve. And it all started in 2018. I didn't have any skills. It was the first time for me to start to stand in front of the camera independently and to start a YouTube channel and do this professional work you are seeing now. I had to learn a lot of skills like video editing, even search engine optimization, and this all of these skills I had to learn in this short time. So this was the hard way for me. The easiest way for me is to go on any of these websites, Upwork, Fiverr, and to start to offer my services, like my services regarding business consultation or business coaching or wealth management coaching on this website. This was the easiest way for me. I don't have to worry about traffic. I don't have to make videos like this. I don't have to write something or blogging or do any of this hard work. I don't have to get my website online, to have my platform, to worry about all of the technical support, all of the technical issues for the website. I don't have to worry about anything of this at all. I can just go offer my service, do some promo videos, small promo videos, easy to do on this website, and then I will get traffic. I will benefit from the traffic they are already have. But I didn't choose this way. I chose the hard way because I am planning something for long term. I want it to be growing and to be scalable, and this is not going to happen on these platforms. So to sum this step, you have two ways to choose between. The easiest way, which is to offer your services on one of these websites, freelancer.com, Upwork, Fiverr, Extra, there are many others, or to build your own success, to build your own website, to build your own lead generation funnel, to build your own traffic, to get your own traffic. So this is the hard way. It's hard not because it needs a lot of work, it needs a lot of knowledge. So if you are going to do a website, you can hire someone to do it for you, but it's better if you can do it for yourself, because then if you face any technical issue, you can solve it yourself. You don't need to wait for someone, to contact someone, to pay for someone to help you fix these issues. So this is the hard part of this way. Step number 4, if you choose the hard way, and step number 3, you should start to think about scaling your business. When you get the first customer, the second, the third, the fourth, you should reinvest the profit you made in your business and keep it going, keep it bigger and bigger. You should dream big, because success is a continuous process. It's not a one step and that's it. We all see successful entrepreneurs around the world keep achieving a new point and a new level of success every day. This is very important, because when you become successful, you should become addicted to success. I hope it was useful for you and you benefited from the information I provided. I hope you comment below and tell me what do you think about this video. Let me know what do you think. I am interested to know your opinion. If you want me to create more videos like this, comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, that when I release any new videos you get notified. Thank you for watching, and see you in a new episode soon from this beautiful country of Georgia.